Hello everyone, we are Team Code Sankalp from MIT Academy of Engineering. This is a CityFlow SMC, a smart traffic and parking system we built for Solapur Municipal Corporation. So the problem is simple. Every signal in Solapur runs on a fixed timer. It doesn't matter if one side has 50 vehicles and other side is empty. The timer doesn't change this at all. Ambulance get stuck in the same traffic as everyone else because there is no priority system. During Siddheshwar Yatra, 5 lakh people comes to Solapur and the roads are handled manually with no data at all. And finding parkings, citizens just circle around for 20 minutes hoping to find a spot. So we thought, what if there was one screen that show everything, and that's the city flow. We built six things: a live map of Solapur with a junction markers, a congestion heat map, emergency vehicle routing using a Google map, a radar scan that make the whole system fast, a parking trackers for 8 real spots in Solapur, and a live simulators that keep the data updating automatically. We use the React for the front end, Google Maps API for the map and routing, and upstairs radars for caching. Okay, let's just show it. So this is the main screen. You can see Solapur maps with a 10 junction marked on it. Red means heavy congestion, yellow is moderate, and green is fine. Right now at Hutatma Chowk, bus stand and market yard, there is all red. And look, the scores are changing on their own every 8 seconds. We didn't refresh anything. Now this is the heat map. The darker red area are the worst zones. A traffic officer can look at this and understand the whole city in 1 second without calling anyone. Now, if we click on a junction, say Hutatma Chowk, I get the details right here and see this button, Report High Congestion. This is for the ground level officer. If a traffic stop is standing at this junction and things are getting worse, they just hit this. Scores just spiked. The markers got darker red, the heat map updated. One tap from the ground and the whole dashboard knows immediately. And below that is the live CCTV feed for that junction. In a real deployment, this will be an actual camera installed at the junctions. For a prototype, we embedded a live traffic feed to show exactly what that will look like in the final system. Okay, now let's say there's an emergency. Ambulance needs to go from SBS bus stand to civil hospital. One click, Google Maps calculates the fastest routes on the actual Sorapur roads and draw it right here. That is 7 minutes and 1.8 kilometers. And every dispatch gets logged automatically with a timestamp down here. So SMC always has a record of what happened and when. Same thing for police. Hodginaka to railway station, route appears instantly, logged automatically. Now, this is something a bit technical but really important. See this badge. It says radar is hit 16 milliseconds. That means the data was served from cache and not fetches fresh every time. Let me clear the cache and show you the difference. 380 milliseconds. That's the fresh load from the scratch. 16 millisecond that red eyes. Now imagine during the Siddheshwar Yatra, 500 officers all opening the dashboard at the same time. Without catching, the system will just fall over. With red eyes, it handle all them instantly. And that's the whole point. This is the parking tab. We mapped 8 real parking spots in Solapur, that is Siddheshwar Mandir, SMC parking, Bhakti parking, Market Yard, and some more. These are actual locations with the actual coordinates. Siddheshwar Mandir is at 97%, that is almost full, and there are 5 illegal vehicles detected here. So Marshal can be sent immediately. Slot number updated every 10 seconds on their own. This one, Gadwal Road, is only 27% full. So instead of someone circling around for 20 minutes, we just tell them where to go. Now, if this gets deployed in Solapur, Traffic officers get real visibility across the city. Emergency teams can dispatch in one click instead of figuring it out manually. Citizens stop wasting time searching for parking, and the catching means the system won't break under the load. What we want to add next? A traffic DNA features that show each junction early, congestion patterns and a chart, and a signal optimizer that suggests when to extend green or red, and a festival planning modules that auto-generated a traffic plan 72 hours before the yatra. When SMC eventually get the real sensors and camera, CityFlow just plugs into them. CityFlow is a working prototype built using a real Solapur junction, near parking, locations, and actual Google Maps routing. We are Tim Code Sankalp and thank you.